Hey everyone, this is Chris Enriquez, aka Hyper Neon here, doing a little demo of a little bit of coding that I worked up here in order to give myself some additional functionality into the Ankhbot Twitch bot. So basically, Ankhbot has this currency and ranking system right here, where you can set up all these custom ranks, and you can set it up. You can basically your users, your viewers can progress through these ranks based on the amount of points they have, or the amount of hours they have, and you can see that they can get different ranks here. The problem is that Ankhbot doesn't have any functionality by which it monitors these or alerts the users within the chat on like any type of time basis when they level up. The only thing that actually works is if the users kind of check their own ranks, or if you submit a command that kind of like notifies users on a cadence of some sort. But I would much rather have something that can just alert the users as it goes, as soon as they level up or level down. So what I did is I created a Ruby bot that actually interfaces with the Ankhbot database and retrieves the information. It actually acts as just a normal IRC bot as well. So we can start this up here. As you can see, Ruby Ankhbot Ruby bot. Start that up. You can see here it's just authenticating via Twitch, just a simple implementation of the IRC protocol. It just opens up a socket to the server, this can use just like any other IRC chat client. So I can say hello world here, and you'll see that kind of pops up everywhere else. I'm authenticated as RoboTangent, which is my Ankhbot bot, and I can actually receive messages back. So here, just normal Twitch chat. I can say this works too, right? So as you can see, I get a message received, kind of in all places. It shows up here in the terminal. The cool thing about this here, though, is that I actually have a system running on basically a 60-second timer that is just constantly checking if there's any changes in the ranks. So as you can see, nothing has happened yet, and I may have my timing off here, but if we go to the currency tab and I scroll down and I pick a user, here we're going to use the Makua bot. This is what I was using for levels until that system kind of started going down. Let me edit this user. They've been having problems, kind of financial problems. I will update this to my next rank, which is 201. Say yes. You can see the rank here changed to level 2 Blue Gamer. And we may just have to wait a minute here for the system to pick that up. Like I said, it's running on a 60-second timer. All of these settings are configurable. I designed the bot with just a simple settings file where you can configure, wherever you can tell it where the Ankhbot directory is. You can tell it kind of all the different configurations that you would like. If you want to alert for levels down, if you don't want to alert for level down, like if you don't want to use the announcer, you don't have to. If you want to just kind of use this as a platform to build your own functionality, you can. And there you go. So it just announced, kapow, congrats for leveling up to level 2, Blue Gamer. And then I can actually level this down. So I can just put it back to what it was, 60. Add modify, yes. So in this system, when you use a points-based system, obviously if I manually edit the points, or if a user spends points to gamble or to do certain commands like fighting in the arena or something like that, there's a possibility that they could level down. So I have the option here, I have it turned on in this case, where it will let the user know that they've leveled back down. Like I said, in the settings file that's in the directory, I'm going to put this up on GitHub. You can just configure that to your taste. You can edit the text however you'd like. There's some wildcard things in there. It's all explained in the GitHub repo. We'll just give it a minute here to alert us that it's leveled down. There we go. The user is slacking and leveled down to level 1, Green Gamer. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. There's still some work left to be done. I'd like to extend this out to make it a little bit easier for other people to add in whatever commands they would like. It has two systems right now, one by which it does just basic kind of text parsing, where whenever it receives it, that's how it knows to kind of process this response that I got. The main one, like I said, is I wanted to be able to implement something on a timer, and in this case that seems to be working excellently. And hopefully in the future we can extend this out to have additional functionality, have additional message matchers, so you can have maybe more complex commands than what you can get from kind of the simple commands within Ankhbot itself. So thanks a lot for watching, and check out the GitHub. It's at github.com/hyperneon, and you can find the bot there. Thank you.